Join me as I try to explain everything you need to know about hydrogen in just 5 minutes. Hydrogen is often referred to as the most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of its elemental mass. And yet, despite its ubiquity, hydrogen remains a largely untapped resource, holding the key to unlocking a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. Production methods for hydrogen, however, are still in their infancy. Currently, most hydrogen is extracted from fossil fuels, a process that not only contributes to greenhouse gas emissions but also negates the environmental benefits of using hydrogen as a clean energy source. Alternative production methods, like electrolysis, which involves splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, are gaining traction but remain woefully underdeveloped. Furthermore, the storage and transportation of hydrogen pose significant logistical challenges, primarily due to its low energy density and high reactivity. And then there are the safety concerns, as hydrogen is highly flammable and requires stringent safety protocols to handle. Scaling up hydrogen production to meet growing demands will require significant investments in infrastructure, from building new production facilities to developing more efficient storage and transportation systems. Meanwhile, researchers are racing to develop more cost-effective and environmentally friendly production methods, such as using renewable energy sources to power electrolysis. But even as these challenges are slowly being addressed, the question remains, can we overcome the barriers to widespread adoption of hydrogen as a clean energy source? Another significant hurdle lies in the lack of standardization across the hydrogen industry, with different countries and companies adopting disparate standards for production, storage, and transportation. This lack of cohesion hinders the development of a cohesive global supply chain, further slowing the pace of adoption. Industrial applications of hydrogen are vast and varied, with uses ranging from the production of chemicals and fertilizers to the manufacturing of steel and refineries. Hydrogen fuel cells, in particular, hold immense promise as a clean energy solution for powering vehicles and generating electricity. In the renewable energy sector, hydrogen is being touted as a potential game changer, allowing us to store excess energy generated by solar panels and wind turbines, and then deploy it as needed. Hydrogen is also being explored as a potential solution for long-duration energy storage, addressing the intermittency of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. By converting excess energy into hydrogen, which can then be stored and used as needed, we can ensure a stable and reliable energy supply. Moreover, hydrogen has the potential to decarbonize heavy industries like steel and cement production, which are significant contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. Researchers are also making rapid strides in developing new materials and technologies to improve the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of hydrogen production, storage, and utilization. Breakthroughs in nanotechnology, for instance, are enabling the development of more efficient catalysts for electrolysis, while advances in fuel cell design are boosting their performance and durability. Meanwhile, governments and companies are investing heavily in hydrogen infrastructure, from building out new production facilities to developing extensive hydrogen fueling networks. One of the most promising areas of research is in the development of green hydrogen, produced solely from renewable energy sources like solar or wind power. Pilot projects around the world are demonstrating the viability of green hydrogen as a clean energy solution, with the potential to decarbonize entire industries and economies. And as the cost of renewable energy continues to plummet, the economic case for green hydrogen becomes increasingly compelling. In summary, hydrogen is a complex and multifaceted element, holding the key to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. While challenges abound, from production and storage to safety concerns and standardization, the potential rewards are well worth the effort. As we continue to drive innovation and investment in this space, we may yet unlock the secrets of hydrogen and unleash a new era of clean energy. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on hydrogen in the comments below. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insights into the world of energy and sustainability.